Have you been using Xero for a while, but every time you pull a report, something just feels off? It's not really showing you the information that you expect. It's not really giving you any value add, and you're not alone. I hear this all the time. You log in, you look at your profit and loss and think, is that right? Why does that number feel wrong? But you shrug it off until tax time rolls around again and you're back to stress, second guessing, or worse, actually overpaying tax. And it's all avoidable. And so what I am doing is I'm hosting a workshop, and it's 100% free. And in this workshop, we will cover the most common Xero mistakes that business owners are making without even realizing. We'll also cover how to feel confident about your numbers, what to look for at tax time to avoid nasty surprises, and how to use your reports to actually grow your business. I'm Ray Armand, a chartered accountant, a business owner, and mum of 4. So I get the juggle. And from my experience, our goal is to help you to simplify and not stress over your numbers. If you're ready to stop the confusion and feel in control of your books, click below to save your seat for my next live workshop. Seats are limited to 100 people, and I would love to see you there. Cheers.